How to become a web front-end developer in 2024? This is the Beginner's Bootcamp, and here I will take you by the hand from zero to hero. So let's dive right into it. By the way, this is just a sample of what you will get on my course on Udemy, Become a Web Front-End Developer 2024 Beginner's Bootcamp. If you want to have the full version, head to my description link. What's the difference between the UL and OL? You can see it here. You're gonna have a little circle over here, a little dot. It's a bold dot to give a list of things. Or if we do the same list, we're gonna take this over. The ingredients to make bread, we're gonna save it, and then we're gonna reload. As you can see, order list, the difference is it's gonna give a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the list. So not very complicated, and this is used a lot on the internet. And we are getting ready to do our first exercise. I'm just gonna go over the links because I'm not sure if we talked about it once, but we did lightly, so we're gonna go over real quick. The links are very important, and they are what makes the web a web. To add a link, we need to use a simple element, and if you recall, the element that we need is the A element, the anchor element, and we have to open the tag as always, then we have to close. This becomes the anchor element, and that's gonna allow us to make a link. How do we make a link? Do you remember when we add an attribute? The attribute is called href. Always an attribute, it's followed by an equal sign and 2 quotes. That part we learned also. You can check our videos if you have not seen this before. And over here, this is where we put the link, and we're gonna put full bootcamp, since we are doing a full bootcamp. And here you cannot test any text, okay, as so if we save this and we reload, there you have it. As you can see, it becomes blue automatically. Maybe I should zoom in a little bit. It becomes blue, and we also get an underline, and then it becomes clickable. So that's how you make a link. Ready to transform from a complete beginner to a skilled web developer? Welcome to the ultimate beginner's guide and become a web developer in 2023. My course on Udemy is your passport to mastering web development with ease. Designed especially for beginners, this course covers the essential pillars from HTML, PHP, JavaScript introduction, Angular, and the real roadmap you need in 2023 to become a web developer. But that's not all. What sets this course apart is the inclusion of the FB system. What is the FB system? It's a full bootcamp in 7 steps. This system is your guide to understanding, memorizing, and implementing the code effectively. Say goodbye to confusion and hello to confidence as you navigate all the complexity of web development. Moreover, this course isn't just about learning, it's about becoming career ready or job ready. Equip yourself with sought-after skills in PHP for dynamic web applications. Learn to implement crucial user authentication, making your projects not just functional, but job ready. And by the end of this course, you won't just be fluent in web development languages, you'll be equipped with secure opportunities in the field of web development. Increase the chances of being hired and step confidently into the world of web development. So don't miss out on this transformative journey. Enroll now, the ultimate beginner's guide in 2022. Become a web developer in 2023. So don't waste more time. Click on the link on the description and enroll right now.